Hey everybody, welcome to CrazyTechLab. My name is Anthony Leather and this is my channel intro where I get to tell you guys who the hell Anthony Leather is, where he came from, why you should listen to him and why you should subscribe to his channel. So a lot of you might know me from publications such as Custom PC and BitTech.net, where I was a reviewer and modding editor for a very long time. Started on those publications around 15 years ago. And since then, I've moved on to other publications such as Forbes.com, but always with an emphasis on PC hardware reviews. I've got a strong emphasis on water cooling and also PC modding. I was modding editor for those publications for a very long time, running competitions such as Mod of the Month and Mod of the Year. And I was also a judge for various years on Cooler Masters Case Mod World Series modding competition as well. I'm a PC modder myself. My main PC has been water cooled for about the last 20 years, so I've got plenty of experience reviewing all manner of PC hardware, processors, graphics cards, cases, air cooling, water cooling, you name it, I have reviewed it. I pride myself in unbiased reviews, so what you will see here on the channel are not unequivocal recommendations of stuff I haven't tested and compared. All of that stuff will be included in my reviews, and if I do use hardware for PC reviews, you will know that I have tested it thoroughly beforehand, which seems to be sorely lacking from PC reviews and content out there, both on YouTube and other social media platforms. People just build pretty PCs, they don't review stuff, and for me, that's doing you guys a disservice, because that's not how I got into this whole thing. I liked reading reviews, seeing what the best products were, so I could point my wallet in that direction. So you will be seeing plenty of eye candy on this channel though, including my test systems, Cosmo and Wanda. We've got Cosmo here. Wanda is basically the same, but she's called Wanda and she's purple, and you'll be seeing them rolled out on lots of occasions reviewing graphics cards, processors and other hardware. So that's it from me. This is my channel intro. I'd love it if you could hit that subscribe button so you are notified when I upload new videos. And if you're in the industry, don't always reach out to get in touch if you want to see your products reviewed here or collaborate in any way. Always up for new opportunities. Don't forget to tune in very soon. Got a whole bunch more content planned. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the descriptions in each video as well, because there's a whole lot of useful information on there, as well as some very useful links to stuff that you will find very beneficial. So that's it from me. Thanks for watching my channel intro, and I will be back very soon.